So guys, next, open any browsers to type Google search box Lenovo Leon Stream 5 driver download and go to the first URL, which is you can see is pcsupport.lenovo.com. This is officially website you can download driver. So you can see this is there are two type to install, first automatic and second manual. So if you click to scan now in the automatic, so guys, it will system automatically scan your system and require driver to install. Okay, and second, this is manual. So manual means you have to install the separately. Okay, so first, audio, and you can see this is audio driver and just click to download. You can see this is the size. Okay, when you click to download, it will start automatically. You can see this start downloading, one download in the progress. So wait few seconds, it will complete. After that, show you how to install it. So guys, you can see this is installed, just single click to setup. Then give to access, yes, then okay, and accept the agreement, then next, select the install, then next, and then click to install. So now you can see this is extracting file and then and also installing to your system. It will complete it. After that you can restart your system and then check it. Okay. Then you can see this guys, audio driver is successful install, and then click to OK, finish, and then restart your system.